What's going on, everybody? Paul here, coming at you with your crypto coffee update for Wednesday, January 17th and Thursday, January 18th. Please excuse me if my voice is a little bit more scratchy than usual. I'm under the spell of some kind of sickness that's been going around, but I'm well medicated and on the uphill. Starting out with your news bite for the day, China has moved to further crack down on cryptocurrencies with an over-the-counter trading ban and blocks on certain crypto-related websites. This is the latest in a saga of a slow but sure type of crackdown that's been coming out of China that started in early September of last year. First, local exchanges were banned in the September bill, and this is an action that sent the larger crypto markets tumbling. Next, Bitcoin mining was heavily curtailed in 2018, and now here we are with even more strict regulations. Public reaction in China seems largely hushed and accepting. This is in stark contrast to their lively Korean counterparts, who only recently sent their own finance minister's head spinning with over 125,000 signatures on a petition stating the Korean people's desire to keep crypto accessible. It'll be very interesting to see the next steps that China takes. Next up, we have an interesting graph that caught my eye this morning. This graph demonstrates a trend that has appeared in recent years in the crypto market. There seems to be a sharp decline periodically this time each year. Myself and others think we're onto a legitimate reason as to why the Chinese New Year. This may sound like an underwhelming explanation, but in China, Korea, and to a lesser extent Japan, many individuals return home to spend time with friends, families, and engage in cultural activities relating to the new year. Keep in mind that these three countries comprise a very large portion of the overall crypto market. Again, 31% of salaried Koreans invest in cryptocurrencies. This means that any move in the crypto market will be exacerbated and seem more pronounced since this major source of liquidity is currently on holiday. Being that Korea in particular is largely a buying nation for cryptocurrencies, with Ripple prices being on a 50% premium just last week, this temporary depression in price should come as no surprise given the historical precedent for such moves. Taken in tandem with the above Chinese crackdown, and one has to wonder if China is taking advantage of a cultural feature to drive cryptocurrency prices even lower, or if this just happens to be luck of the draw in terms of timing. That wraps it up for your news bite. Let's go ahead and get into the Crypto Coffee update for Wednesday, January 17th. North American Bitcoin Conference is happening in Miami, arguably one of the largest events for the North American continent in terms of cryptocurrency. We will see all the major cryptocurrencies there, as well as some smaller names such as A-Chain, Salt, Wax, Aeon, and Augur. Wanted to give some of the little guys their chance to shine. We're having the first IOTA hackathon going down in Russia. A Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash pairing will be officially listed on GDAX. Peseta Coin is releasing their iOS and their Android app. Capacity Inc. is launching their iOS application. ClearPoll is launching their Clearify program. The company Coinsbank will be in Thailand for a meetup. Leverage, RefToken, Sportify, and StarChain will all be listed on OKX. And that wraps it up for Wednesday, January 17th. Moving on to Thursday, January 18th. Byte is having an AMA. Meow A is having a beta launch. I hope I said that right. That's how it was written down. I'm going to do my best. Basic Attention Token is having an update to their Brave browser. Mobius is having an ICO on the Stellar Lumens platform. We're seeing a lot of different ICOs happening on a lot of different platforms now, so it's becoming an interesting scene. Veritasium is having a beta launch for their software. Edgeless is launching version 0.2 of their software. Decred is having a meetup in New York. Matchpool is launching a new, quote, crypto product. Should be interesting to see what they come up with. Medical Chain will be at the Blockchain for Healthcare event in London. IOCoin is releasing a new version of their roadmap. WanChain is launching the mainnet of their project. And to wrap it up, RedPulse will be listed on CoinRail. That wraps it up for January 17th and 18th of your Crypto Coffee update. As usual, I'm Paul. Thank you so much for watching. All the links are down below in the description, as well as a link to our Discord, where there's always great conversation going on, and we'd love to have your input. Thanks so much, and look forward to talking to you guys next time.